A goal without a plan, it's useless. You cannot achieve a perfect requirement, particularly in the oil and gas industries or engineering industries. The maintenance activities playing a major role in nowadays. The maintenance planning is about the complete investment to ensure the reliability, safety, and quality of the plant to provide the required output or the productions for the unit. So let us see what are the key requirements before start the maintenance activity. So welcome to Reference Engineers. First key element is, yes, you have to ready for the spare parts. Yes, if your example, if you are going to do some maintenance activity in the car or your automobile or the two-wheelers, imagine if there is no spares in the workshop. Of course, it will take more time without the spare parts. So to identify the right spares for the right equipment for the right job is the key things. So I would suggest the best thing is refer the OEM spare part list and compare with the drawing. Say for example, if you are going to overhaul the compressors or multi-stage compressor or turbines, get to the OEM manual, understand the complete drawing, extract all the drawings, and if more, you can analyze the spare parts interchangeability records. There you can have all the details of the spare parts, which is the right spares. I can say the right spares for the right equipment. So I will explain you the detailed requirement about the spare parts in the next video, but always refer the OEM manual, the drawing, and the bill of material, and with reference to the master list is the spare parts interchangeability. Second one, the right service. Yes, the right service, who can do this job, you have to identify in the market. Specifically, if it is a big machine, yes, it is preferred. Most of the the company owner will prefer the OEM to perform this job, or the equivalent to any experienced persons. So you have to identify the right person to perform this activity, and you should always approach or engage. I can say you can engage with the OEM for the some good recommendations, and he need to align with the company technical team and the operation team requirement. What is the next? The best output can be provided. So you have to find the right resources in the market. If you not find the right or experienced resources in the market to perform this overhauling or the repairing of the machines, you will be having a delay in the operation. So it is more essential to find the right guy or the right persons or right specialist for performing this activity. That the main focus area is, if the maintenance crew is not having the right tool, they will end up with, believe me, they will end up with some safety concerns. So it is more important to identify the special tools for performing the activities. Even this also you can extract from the OEM manual, or from the OEM they will provide the all special tools requirement for performing the activities. So always maintain before starting the activities, ensure the special tools also must be available for performing the activities. The fourth point here is to consider, yes, the method of statement. Now I have the tools, I have the resources, I mean the crew, I have the spare parts. The next activity, how to do this job. You have to instruct the team. This is the right procedure to perform this task. That is called the method of statement or the clear task. It can be reflect in the OEM or the standard maintenance practice or procedures in the companies. So you can refer that, and you can make a clear step-by-step procedure for performing the activities. Yes, it is also, we can say, all the inspection hold points, clearance check of all the interstage assemblies, and as found or as left, all the details must be incorporated in this task list. So this is very, very important. The fourth one is, yes, this is the procedure. You have to give the correct procedure how to do the job. Fifth one, yes, you have to map all the requirements in the detailed schedule. Yes, there is a difference between your planning and scheduling. Planning is what you are going to do, how to do is planning, and when to do, who will do is scheduling. Yes, scheduling is the key area where when you want to do this job. Say for example, if this is not critical equipment, but you have to repair it, yes, you have to wait for the spare parts, yes, you can inform your scheduler, or you can be planning your activity once all the resources are ready. Say for example, the special tools, if not available, you have to procure it. The OEM will say 6 months, yes, you can wait for 6 or some after receiving this special tools, yes, you can start the activity. So based on the depends on the requirement, you can fix the schedule. And again, it is depends on if all the resources are available. If the mission is very critical, yes, you can schedule in the upcoming opportunity. Scheduling is very important here. For making the perfect schedule, you need all the details. Not the least, you have to focus on all the safety aspects. Yes, here comes your job safety analysis, or you have to cover up all the things, starting from open the permit in the right way, what are the risk available, the safety risk, so how to mitigate. You have to develop all with the perfect plans. You have to discuss with all the key stakeholders, including the vendor or the resource who is going to perform. You have to cascade all the safety concerns and how to mitigate, to starting from the specialist or the engineer to the helpers, yes, hand to hand. This is very important to incorporate all the safety requirements, or whether they are going to use the confined space or the complete system, or they going to do any critical jobs. Yes, so this is very important, how to use the tool in proper way and how to select the tools in the proper things. It's all very, very important. As I told, a goal without a plan is useless. So focus on the at least the minimum requirement of performing the activities, the maintenance activity or repair activity. Just keep it in your mind before proceeding this. See you again.